What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. In this video, Galaxy Watch Ultra. I said I wasn't going to do it, but it's time to take a look at it, get my first impressions, and then we'll do another video comparing it to how good it is compared to the Apple Watch Ultra, which I've had since the beginning, since they came out. So, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which I went for the orange band with the titanium grey. So let's flip it over. As you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so let's go ahead and take these off. One and there's two. There we go. Let's get it open. And then inside the box is the white box with the new watch face. Take that out, and there is the strap, and nothing else in the box. Anything else on the top? Nope, nothing else in there. So let's go ahead, we'll set that to the side for a second, we'll take a look at the strap first. Pop it out. So nothing else in there. There is the strap. Nothing else in that one. It feels not too far off compared to what Apple's was. It says titanium under the clasp. Let's take it out like so. Big metal clasp in the middle right here for your loop to go through. It does just feel like the bands that you get with the Apple Watch Ultra. The Galaxy titanium logo on this side and the Samsung logo on this side of that. So then let's grab this, and it looks like it peels up from the bottom. Let's take that one too. And let's see if we can release the watch. There we go. So see what you get inside here. There should be a charger, I assume. A little bit of information, a little bit of booklet to read. Charges in the bottom. Okay, let's pop this part out. And then in this side, this should be your charging puck. So USB-C on this end, and the charging puck on the back right there. And then the titanium watch QR code on the back right there. Let's take that off. Sapphire crystal, 47mm. Orange on this side right here, two buttons here, your speakers and stuff on this side, where your button is to release the strap. So let's go ahead and put on the strap. So let's slide this into place. Oh, does it just sit in? Oh, it just slots in. That's a nice, I like that compared to Apple's sliding technique, because you can ruin bands with that sliding technique. Let's place that on like so, and there we go. I do actually quite like it. Let's go ahead and see if we can power it up. I'm assuming it's this one. Oh, there we go. Samsung logo has just appeared. Just got to decide which phone I'm going to pair it to, whether it's going to be the S24 Ultra right here or the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Fold 6, whatever you want to call it. So select language. Let's go ahead and set it up. United Kingdom. And needs a restart straight away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give me a few minutes. I'll go ahead and set this up. I'll pair it to a phone, run through a quick couple of menus, see what it looks like, try it on the wrist, and then full review video will be coming shortly from this. Stick around, I'm sure I'll have some accessories as well. So I thought I'd pop back in. I've decided to set it up with the S24 Ultra, and I thought I'd whiz through the setup process again because it popped up on the phone telling me to connect and then ran through everything. So I figured I'd do that with you if I can get it to work right now. So welcome. See, as you can see, it says connect. So if you click connect, couldn't set up your error occurred, try again. So no device found, scan again. See, scan for the code, confirm, check the number on your watch, click confirm, agree to all the user data. Getting ready to connect. It'll connect itself up. I figured I'd run through the process with you because obviously it's been pretty straightforward up to now. It just popped up on the phone, it was ready to roll. I figured I'd try and turn it off and turn it back on to try and set it back up with you guys. So it's getting Google information now. Continue as me. Okay, so create custom workout routines. You can do that. You check your body's battery level, understand your sleep, monitor your health, double pinch to control the watch, get help in an emergency, and set up which one it is. So I've got to go to Sim 2. It's just finishing itself up, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so that's all set up now. As you can see, it says watch faces, app screen, tiles, quick panel. So we go to watch faces. There's all the watch faces that you can get, plus you can also download your own ones off the App Store if you wanted to. Back, you can go to app screen and you can see what apps you can have on there, and you can touch and hold to edit, so you can drag it into a different position, as you can see. So discard that. If we go to tiles, there's all your different tiles, and you go to quick panel, and there's your quick panel like you got with your phone. You got watch settings, find my watch, tips and user guide, and store. Then if you go to the watch, it says take a tour of your watch, click start. Right down from the top to open the quick panel. There's the quick panel. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. There's the watch face. Find in your apps, next. Swipe up from the bottom edge, and there's the apps. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. Check in notifications, go next. Notifications, swipe right. So now the next video you see will be like a sort of mini review comparing it to the Apple Watch Ultra. So if there's anything you want to know, let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Have you gone for it? Have you got any accessories that you'd like to see me review? Be sure to let me know in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, we haven't even tried it on. Hang on 1 second. We'll jump on the gun early. So let's put it on. Zooms up, clip it in, push that through. The new Galaxy Watch Ultra in the 47mm. I think it's fantastic. I love big watches, and this is just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Looking forward to getting to grips with it, and as I say, let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. But there we go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. I'll see you in the next one.